Hold both sides of the printer top cover and lift it up to open. Take out the paper roll holder. Remove the movable stopper. Remove the existing paper roll in the paper compartment. Take out a new paper roll. Place the new paper roll into the stopper, ensuring the arrow on the paper roll protector faces up. Reinstall the movable stopper and tighten it. Ensure the movable stopper is tightened. Remove the anti-loosening sticker from the paper roll. Place it into the printer paper compartment. Make sure the arrow on the fixed stopper is facing up. Extend the label paper out above the paper outlet and then close the top cover. Long press the power button for 3 seconds until the display lights up. Click the feed button. A complete label paper will be ejected from the paper outlet. Positioning is complete.